Shanti. Today's topic is full means unshakable and full in everything. Om Shanti. God's sweet version. Sweet child, do you constantly consider yourself to be the souls who always remain with the Father and take His cooperation? Where there is the company of the Father, all attainment is easy. If you do not have the Father's company, then you do not have all attainments, because the Father is the bestower of all attainments. When there is the company of the bestower, the attainments will also follow. Constant company of the Father means to become the one with all rights to the attainments. The souls who are the embodiment of all attainments means the souls who are full. Completely full souls will be constantly unshakable. Those who are not full will continue to shake. Fully complete means unshakable. When the Father is your companion, then the ones who want to be in His company should stay with them, shouldn't they? If the bestower is giving, then you should take it fully, not a little. Devotees are happy to take a little. However, knowledgeable means those who take it fully. Since you have attained everything, you are full. Anything that is full never shakes. To become full means to be unshakable. Keep this form in front of you. We have become the treasure store, overflowing with the treasures of happiness. Where there is happiness, sorrow is removed for all time. The happier you remain, the more good news you will give to others. So, remain happy and continue to give the good news to everyone. Teachers means those who are always full. So, you are those who experience fullness, are you not? When you are full of all treasures, you will be able to serve others. When you are not full, what would you give others? Servers means those who are full of all treasures. You always have the intoxication and happiness of being full. Not a single treasure is lacking. It isn't that you have powers but no virtues, or that you have virtues but no powers. It's not like that. You are full of all treasures. Whatever power you need, invoke that power and it comes. That is called being full. Are you like this? You are those who keep a balance of remembrance and service. Not those who sometimes have more remembrance or sometimes perform more service. You are equal in both and keep a balance between the two. Therefore, you claim a right to the blessings of being full. Are you such servers? What is your aim? Full of all virtues. If even one virtue is lacking, you are not full. If even one power is lacking, you would not be called full. You should be constantly full, that is, full in everything. Such children are called worthy servers. Be full at every step. Always experience the Father's company. Full means fortunate. Ask yourself, do I experience myself to be a child of Bhagavan? That is, Bhagyavan in every action? The fortune is your inheritance. It is not possible that you don't receive your inheritance. Do you experience your fortune as your inheritance? Or do you have to labor? An inheritance is received easily. It doesn't require labor. In the world also, a child automatically has a right to his father's treasures and his inheritance. And he has that intoxication that he has received his father's inheritance. Do you have the intoxication of such a fortune? Or does your intoxication fluctuate? You have an imperishable inheritance, and so you should have so much intoxication. Not just one birth, but you have the fortune of many births as your birthright. You speak of this with such a great sparkle. Others should always be able to see the sparkle of your fortune. Do you have both the sparkle and the spiritual intoxication? Is it in a merged form or an emerged form? The sign of a fortunate soul is the fortunate soul is constantly being sustained in the lamp. Whether he walks or the carpet, whether he is constantly swinging, he doesn't set foot in the mud. The feet of such a soul never become dirty. People walk on carpets, whereas you, instead of keeping the feet of your intellect on the earth, you stay in the world of angels. You don't keep the feet of your intellect in this old world of dust. That is, you don't allow your intellect to become impure. Fortunate ones don't play with toys of clay. They always play with jewels. Fortunate souls always remain full. This is why they always have the stage of being completely ignorant of all desires. Om Shanti.